Anyways, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for the first time ever, I'll be doing a Q&A in English on my official YouTube channel. I've done this video in Kurdish and also in Norwegian before, but never in English. And I feel it's about time to do it because I have so many followers that doesn't speak Kurdish or Norwegian. And I'm sorry about that. It took me forever to do it, but here I am doing it for you. I'm not comfortable at all speaking English, to be honest with you, because English is like my fourth language. But I'm doing whatever makes you happy. My accent is like a mix of English, English, Norwegian, Kurdish, and also Arabic. So yeah, it might sound weird, but doing it for you. Don't judge, please. Don't. I feel like there's so much to tell you because I've never done this before, so I think I will just jump into it and start with the basic facts, like my name. So my name is Gilan Sharafani. I'm originally from Kurdistan. I'm from a tiny city called Duhok, and I moved to Norway when I was 8 or 9, I think. And I was living in Norway for about 18 years, I guess. So I grew up in Norway. And I moved back to Dubai 2 years ago to start my own business, and I started my business last year, so it has just turned 1 year. I did actually post a story on my Instagram where I told you to send me questions that you wonder about me. So I've got a lot of funny and also serious questions on my Instagram story. I will be answering some of them later in this video, after telling you a bit more about how I started all this, what I'm working with, where I'm currently living and all that. As I told you guys, I grew up in Norway and currently I'm living in Duhok in Kurdistan. And to be honest with you, I couldn't be more thankful, and I feel so blessed to be able to have 2 homes instead of 1. And what can I say, like, I feel like growing up with 2 different cultures has made me stronger, and it has also made me less judgmental and also more open-minded. So I'm really blessed, and I feel like lucky to be able to say that I'm from Norway, but also from Kurdistan. I grew up in a city called Trondheim in Norway, and I moved to Oslo with my sister to study. I was studying only 1 year after I decided to jump out from studies and follow my dreams, which was, beauty, obviously. And I started a beauty blog when I was 20, I think. And I won Norway's best beauty blog only after 1 year as a beauty blogger. And right after that, my whole career and also life, to be honest, changed, because all of a sudden I was traveling all around the world with different beauty brands, and I was doing amazing collaborations with different companies and brands, and I was living the typical life of beauty influencers. After that, after a few years of working as a freelancer, I decided to start my own business. But the thing is, since I was like little girl after we moved from Kurdistan, I always had this wish to start my own business in Kurdistan, to bring what I know back to where I'm from, So I moved back here to Kurdistan 2 years ago to start my own business. So yeah, I have a beauty salon and clinic here in Duhok, where we do different treatments, everything from laser hair removal to lash extensions to bridal styling to color cut and all that. And that was like 8 years in few minutes. Hopefully I will be doing more of these videos and you can get to know me more in my next videos. But for now, I think I will go over to some of your questions. I mean, most of them were super private, so I won't be answering them, to be honest with you. But I will try my best to answer as many as possible, as I promised on my Snapchat. How old are you? I've already told you that I'm 28 and my birthday is in November. Do you miss Norway? I do miss Norway. And but the good thing is that I'm actually traveling there very often. I was there a few weeks ago and I'm planning to, travel to Norway again in a few months. Ever cried at work for a client? I mean, I'm not sure what you mean by that question, but trust me, we have cried a lot because we see so many brides and so many different families and emotions, and yeah, it happens that we cry actually when we see how happy they are in the end of the day, Do you think it's important in a relationship? Trust is very important, I think. Have you ever been in a serious relationship? Yes, I have. This question is from Emma. She's asking, if you have to choose only one country that you'll live in forever, which one will it be and why? That's a good question, Emma, but I don't have any answer for you, to be honest, because I haven't think of that. I can't say if I love Kurdistan or Norway more, to be honest. So I feel like both places are my home, and I can't just say I will never travel to Norway again or I will never travel to Kurdistan again. It feels wrong, When I'm here, I'm missing Norway. When I'm in Norway, I miss Kurdistan. It's just like that. And it doesn't matter where I'm living. I just enjoy everywhere I'm going. So for me, I don't have any specific countries in my head I want to live in. Not yet. Will you ever make your own cosmetics line? This is one of the questions that too many of you guys ask me. And to be honest, I'm not planning to do it now or in nearest future. I have other plans that I'm working on, and hopefully I will do that also in future, but right now I'm not planning to do it yet. There's another question saying, how old are you? You look like you're 23. Thank you for that, but I'm 28. I feel old. What are your plans, or what's your important project in 2020? I have some plans, some projects that I'm working on, but my main focus will be on my business and my beauty corner. I will try to make it better this year and hopefully do some other fun projects too on the side. Do you believe in love? I feel like there is a reason that we actually love and have feelings. So yeah, I do believe in love, and I think like everything is much better when it's done with love. It could be your job, it could be studying, it could be taking care of your mom. If you do what you do with love, I'm sure you will make it or do it much better. How tall are you and where are you currently? I'm super tall, I'm just kidding. I'm super short, I'm a shorty. People tell me that I'm cute, so I choose to believe them when they say it. Hey from Los Angeles, hey! Hey! I miss Los Angeles and I love Los Angeles. Why are you very thin? I don't think I'm thin, because I'm not tall. Do you think I'm thin? Because I'm not thin. Dye your hair gray and black. Oh my god, should I do that? I don't think I will look good in it, but I will think of it. Love your English accent. Wow, girl, thank you. That's so sweet. I mean, okay, thank you. When will you get married? Oh, that's a good question. I don't know, to be honest. If you know it, please let me know, because I really want to know too. Just kidding. What's your favorite film? I'm not sure about that, to be honest. There's so many good movies out there. Have you studied at the university? As I also said in the start of this video, I did study for 1 year in Oslo, and I stopped it and started my own business after that. I love your voice when you speak English. That's so sweet of you to say. Thank you very much. Thank you. And I love you. Shitty. So cool. Okay, next. Why don't you speak English every time? I feel like people usually ask me why I don't speak Kurdish all the time, and then I have Norwegian followers who say, why don't you speak Norwegian in your videos? I feel like I'm stuck in between all of these languages and I don't really know which language to speak, because every time I'm speaking English, people complain about me speaking English, they want to speak Kurdish or Norwegian, and when I speak Norwegian or Kurdish, then you have the other languages to complain. I mean, I thank you all for the love, but honestly, I'm not sure what I should do, so I'm trying my best to do videos both in Kurdish and also in English, so more people can understand. Do you have children or are you married? No. Are you single? Yes, I am. Do you still live in Norway? No, I don't. I live in Kurdistan. What's your biggest dream? Something you really want to happen? My biggest dream was to actually have a business here in my city, and now I have it, and I'm thankful for that. I do have another dream that I'm working on now that I can't really talk about now yet, but hopefully you will see it in this year. Which oil is the best for dry hair? I do use Moroccan oil. I think it's the best one ever. What's the name of your village? It's called Mreba. If you're really angry and exhausted, what would you do first? Eat, nap, scream, or shower? I would eat, shower, and nap. I wouldn't scream. No, I'm not a screamer. Okay, I think I will stop answering more questions for now, but I won't stop here. I will do more of these videos in the future, I promise you that. And thank you all for sending me questions, and thank you for watching. If you don't subscribe to my channel already, I hope you can do that. That will make me really happy. And if you like these kind of videos, please give me a like so I can do more of it in the future. And also, if you want me to do any other specific kind of videos, you know, challenges, tutorials, story time, just comment down below, and I promise I will do more of them in the future. And I think I'm gonna end this video with 3 questions for you, because I really want to get to know you too. And my 3 questions for you are: 1, how old you are; 2, which language you speak; and 3, what kind of videos do you like most in my channel? Do you want them to be like a mix of everything, or do you want them to only be like beauty related? Just let me know what kind of videos you like. It will be so much easier for me to make the right content if you tell me what kind of videos you like the most. Please take time to answer those 3 questions, and thank you all for watching this video again. I love you all so much. Take care, and bye bye.